all set and we are leaving from this Viva Hotel. Today is day 4 and we are leaving from Madgaon, and right now we are going towards Amboli Ghat, but we will go through Panjim. Amboli Ghat is around 112 kilometers from here, and to reach there Google Map is suggesting us 2 hours 45 minutes. So Amboli Ghat is in Maharashtra. Amboli, actually it's a village, Amboli. If I have to talk how far we have done for this trip, for this freedom trip, 840 kilometers we have done so far in the sense from Bangalore. So Bangalore to Hassan to Jogfall to Gokarna to this Margao, Goa. Now we are entering in Maharashtra. So Amboli ka, this is some inner road which is connecting directly to the Amboli Ghat road. So this is just a shortcut to Amboli if we are coming from the Goa. Anyway, coming from Goa, then Google Map will navigate you through this road only. This road looks really nice. This place, even if it's really cloudy, is quite humid.
Banda to Satoli road, which was around 12 km. If we would have taken this road via Savantwadi, it was 11 km longer than this road. And there is no issue with this Banda to Satoli road. It was quite wide enough for car or bike.
Wow. ये व्यू देख इधर. So we are at Amboli Ghat now. See the view. So that side will go to Belgaum and this side will go to Maharashtra or Goa, Panjim. So sometime when you are coming from Bangalore, you can just come to Belgaum. From Belgaum you can follow this road to go to Goa. This road is really very nice, beautiful road. But the best time to come visit here is rainy season. And we are here in rainy season, but yes, the fall what we are seeing it now, it's not going to be the same. Fall is going to have more water, mostly in heavy rain. So like if you see that entire place is going to fill with water. And to stop the landsliding, let me just focus properly. So they have put a net. This is the main waterfall of Amboli. And we are heading towards Belgaum. So Belgaum should be around 70 to 74 kilometers. It should not take more than 2.5 hours. Cool, right? इसको ऑफ कर देता हूँ. This is the room in Belgaum, Sankam Hotel. Quite decent room, I must say. It has a big mirror here and TV here. पूरा light on है क्या ये? That's the washroom. क्या होता है?
पहले से पैंट गीला हुआ है.
हेलो
हेलो बोल.
हेलो इधर 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 हेलो. some bike, so they were riding tripling. What they have done, they just came and they smashed here. So nothing happened, bike didn't fall, just got a bend on the silencer. If you see this one and here, it's looking really weird. So time is 11:40 and we are all set to leave from Belgaum. We are going back to Bangalore. The road we are going to follow is Belgaum, Hubli, Davangere, Chitradurga, Tumkur and Bangalore. So distance what we have to cover today is 532 kilometers from here, Belgaum. So we have taken our first break after 150 kilometer. This is after Bankapur Toll Plaza. किस पता है पानी शॉप. Extra premium. $450 and we have taken almost 1 hour 50 minutes break for lunch and for tea. So mostly we will try not to take any break at least for 2.5 hours. ऐसा ही जा रहा है. And still we have to cover 282 kilometers from here. So ETA according to Google Map is 9:10. I'm crossing Chitradurga now. So there's a lot of windmill on top of the mountain.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Time for quick update. So time is around 7:43 and we have taken almost, I guess, 45 or 50 minutes break in CCD, that is before Tumkur. So still Tumkur is 45 kilometers from here, and so far we have covered 389 kilometers, and still to reach HSR Layout Bangalore I have to cover 141 kilometers. So what I heard is raining in Bangalore, so I have put up my rain gear and all, and it's raining since today. So I have reached home, and the distance what we have covered for the entire trip is 1531 kilometers, and for one day trip today is 529 kilometers.